स्टॉप स्क्रॉलिंग। क्या आप 7 डे में इंग्लिश अपनी इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं? टेक दिस चैलेंज विद मी। टुडे आई एम स्टार्टिंग द 7 days इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग चैलेंज। इफ यू वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश कॉन्फिडेंटली, ज्वाइन विद मी। English is very important for the job, interview, confidence, and personal development. If you practice daily, you can speak English fluently. In this challenge, rule that is the first day introduce yourself in English at least 1 minute. Second day, talk about your the daily routines, and third day, describe your the favorite food or movies. 4 day, speak about your goal in your life. 5 day, talk in front of the mayor for the 2 minutes. 6 day, speak only English for the 30 minutes. 7 day, record yourself in videos and post it confident speaking. I was also a fear for the English speaking, but when I started English speaking practice daily, my confidence is improved. You are the ready for the comment. I accepted this challenge. Let's grow together. See you in the first day videos. Bye bye. You will be there.